Welcome to Math with Mr. J. In this video, I'm going to cover how to convert 2/5 to a decimal. Now, when we convert a fraction to a decimal, we can divide the numerator, the top number of the fraction, by the denominator, the bottom number of the fraction. So for 2/5, we can set this up as 2 divided by 5. And now we're able to work through the division process. So we have 2 divided by 5. How many whole groups of 5 in 2? How many 5s in 2? Well, we can't do that. So we need a decimal and a 0 in order to work through this. Once we have the decimal and the 0, bring the decimal straight up into where the quotient, the answer, will be. And now we can think of this as 20 divided by 5, which is 4. So we put the 4 above the 0 right here, since we used that 0 and thought of this as 20 divided by 5. And that's going to line us up correctly. Now we multiply. 4 times 5 is 20. Subtract 20 minus 20 is 0. So now we have a clean-cut 0 there at the bottom. Nothing else to bring down within our problem. So we are done. 2/5 equals 4/10. So let's write this up here. 2/5 equals 0.4. Again, 2/5 equals 4/10. So there you have it. There's how to convert 2/5 to a decimal. I hope that helped. Thanks so much for watching. Until next time, peace.